Next, we're going to remove the combination switch. This is the switch that has the wiper switch and also the turn signal. We have a couple of screws that we need to remove. First one down here. Now the screw is right up here on top. Then on the side here you have your connector, and just press it down like so. And there it is. It's the combination switch.